Over a decade since the creation of fish sanctuaries, which are protected waters where fish are allowed to grow to maturity, one marine biologist says he is not impressed with the level of growth. Krista Campbell was in Discovery Bay recently and filed this report.
An underwater dive in the Discovery Bay Fish Sanctuary in St. Anne. It's a protected area aimed at addressing Jamaica's overfishing problem by allowing fish and other marine animals time to fully mature before becoming a meal on someone's plate. But at this location, academic coordinator for the University of the West Indies UWI Marine Lab in Discovery Bay, Dr. Camilo Trench, noted the fish population was not very impressive. He said part of the problem is that persons still fish in the area illegally and that this sanctuary in particular lacked financial support to adequately monitor the space.
Most of the sanctuaries across the island that are doing well, they have good tourism partners. Think about what the work that Sandals Foundation is doing and guys are doing out at Arakabesa, etc. But down here, our tourism interests are very small and not so active, so we don't have a lot of financial support for the sanctuary.
However, he noted that with just between 10 and 15 years since the protected space was established, there's still time for the exponential fish population growth that the sanctuary was created to generate.
Let me put it in context. When I was doing my instructor training in Florida, we went to a reef called Molasses Reef. And on that reef, you'd see pirate fishes that are 2 or 3 foot long. And I've never seen such a fish in Jamaica, and large schools of these fish. But these are fish sanctuaries and marine protected areas that have been established for over 50 years. So we'll get there with better management and coordination, but we're not there yet.
However, he's encouraged by the fact that within the sanctuary, the fish population was still greater than what's outside of the protected space. And on this dive, there was an exciting discovery.
Most Jamaicans have never seen a large, proper adult parrotfish. So the fishers saw one that was about a foot today and they were very excited. But this should be commonplace. When you have a fish on your plate and from end to end the fish is falling off, that's the size of the standard it should be in Jamaica. But because we've removed so many of our predators and we've removed so much of our large fish, we don't have that. We are eating now juveniles who are just like pre-adult. Some of them are breeding population, but the breeding population is getting smaller and smaller.
Krista Campbell, TVJ News.